Hello again, it's Rana and we are going to have another English lesson in our channel English with Rana. As you remember, we talked about conditionals, the tenses, zero conditional, first conditional, and today we're going to talk about second one. But let's have a review about zero and first. Okay, we have zero conditional, we talked it's about habits, general matters or general things, rules, instructions, something which is true and everyone is aware of it or everyone knows about it. So we use zero word. For the first word, first conditional, it's about possible actions or possible results, something that you expect to happen. The results that maybe is not general, but you expect it. This is for first conditional. Sometimes we can use a sentence in both zero or first. It means that it's a kind of general thing and everyone expects, so we use first and zero and both are correct. But if it is about warning someone, it means that you warn someone something happens. It is not just about expectation. So there's a difference between zero and first. Today we're going to talk about second conditionals. From the conditionals, the second. First of all, we have to know that, as we said, zero conditional is true all the time. So it's a general fact, truth. First conditional is about future, a future possible result that we expect to get or achieve. So, although we make the sentence, the first part, with simple present form, like if you go out, the go out is a present tense, but the result is for future, sometime after now. But for second conditional, in the formula, we use past tense. Let's see. As we see here, we have if plus past simple past, the second column of each verb or second part of each verb, and also would plus the base verb. Base verb means the verb that is in simple form, no to, no ing, no s for he or she, no past tense, plus the base verb. We use past simple in second conditional, but it is exactly referring or just talking about present time. Although we use past simple, but we refer to present time. It's meant about now. The result is for now, not before, not even after now, not for future. If, like the sentence, we say, if I had money, I would buy a bigger house. If I had money, this I had money is about now. Now, at the moment, I don't have enough money. So it's unreal condition, impossible situation, or a hypothetical situation. Hypothetical, something in my mind, just I think about it, it's not real, not in a real world, just in my mind, I think, oh, if I had, I would do. It's a kind of wish, I want, and even in the past I wanted, even now I wanted it, but the result shows, unfortunately, I don't have it. The result is unreal, impossible, or hypothetical. If I had money, I would buy a bigger house. But now I say that I don't have money, so I don't have a bigger house. If she were taller, she would enter the competition. If she were taller, we're talking about someone for being tall, but where? Simple past. By the way, let's talk that we use were, not was, for all subjects in second conditional. If I wear, you wear, she wear, he wear, it wear, we wear, and they wear. We use wear in second conditional because we are talking about unreal situation, and it's a rule. If she were taller, unfortunately now I know that she's not tall enough, she would enter the competition. There was a competition that she would enter, but now I know that she is not in that competition. So it's unreal. Maybe she wished to, but she couldn't. Let's make another sentence. Another example for second conditional. If you didn't smoke, you would feel better. It's again an unreal condition, a hypothetical situation, because it's not real. If you didn't smoke, it means that the person smokes now. You would feel better. Now he doesn't feel better. So it's kind of an unreal situation. Not impossible, maybe if he quits smoking, the situation or the result can be received, but unfortunately now he smokes, so he doesn't feel better. If he didn't smoke, he would feel better. It's exactly about now. It says that if you quit smoking sometime before, now you would feel better. But unfortunately, the situation is not correct. Let's start some other examples. I make kind of blank space. I put some blank spaces for the words. Then together we can talk and see which verb or which form suits the blank space. Here we have some sentences. Let's see what we use for the blank space. Here we have if it's sunny, we out. The first verb is be, to be. Am, is, or, was, were. As we know, for second conditional, we use past simple. It means the second form or second part of the verb. So if it sunny. First past form of be, we have was, were. As I said, we use just were for all subjects. Now here, if it were sunny, not was, we need would to show that it is hypothetical, show that it is unreal. So we say we would, what is the verb? Go. We would go out. If it were sunny, we would go out. Unfortunately, it is not sunny, so we don't go out. So present result. And also pay attention about this would. We can use the short form of would. It means apostrophe or next one with did. Instead of we would, we can write we'd go. That's the short form of would. If she, the lottery, she around the world. The verb is win and also travel. If she, the past form of win is won. If she won the lottery, she would or should. The verb is travel, the base verb. Should travel around the world. Now, she hasn't won any lottery, so she cannot travel around the world. Unreal situation. If they, you, the police, stay. If they, negative form, in the past, we have see. The past form of see is saw. Now we have the negative form in past, and we use didn't. So if they didn't see you, they would call the police. So now they saw you and they never call the police, or they won't call the police. It's about now, from now on. These are the forms. We have the short form of would in sentences. It is not necessary, it depends on your writing. In formal writing, we won't use abbreviations or short forms, but in informal writing, or as you do homework or you want to practice, it's okay if you use the short form because it's easier to write. Practice. If you have any question, write in comment. I will answer your questions. If there is the need, or if it's necessary to do more sentences, let me know. I can send you some files and more examples of this conditional. Thank you.